Welcome to our comparison video, where we dive into the world of home fitness, comparing the Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill and the DeerRun 2024 upgrade walking pad. Our comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons to help you make the best choice for your home gym. When it comes to price, the Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill is priced at $299. Making it slightly more expensive than the DeerRun 2024 upgrade walking pad, which comes in at $259. Reviewers suggest that if you're looking to save a bit while still getting a quality treadmill, the DeerRun might be the better option. The Goplus boasts a 2-in-1 design, allowing it to function both as a jogging machine and a sprinting treadmill, offering versatility in your workouts. On the other hand, the DeerRun focuses on technology integration with app-controlled workouts and community engagement features. Reviewers appreciate the Goplus for its dual functionality, while the DeerRun is praised for its modern, tech-savvy approach. Performance-wise, the Goplus is equipped with a 2.25 HP motor, while the DeerRun boasts a slightly more powerful 2.5 HP motor. Reviewers note both treadmills are designed to operate quietly, ensuring minimal disturbance. The DeerRun, with its slightly stronger motor, might offer a bit more durability for intensive workouts. In terms of design and usability, both treadmills offer folding capabilities for easy storage. The Goplus is noted for its compact design, making it easy to store away when not in use. The DeerRun, however, excels in fitting under furniture, making it a more discreet option for small spaces. Reviewers generally find both models to be user-friendly, but give the DeerRun points for its ultra-slim profile. Extras like Bluetooth speakers, phone holders, and remote controls are highlights of the Goplus, while the DeerRun offers robust customer support and assurance. Reviewers enjoy the additional features provided by the Goplus for a more entertaining workout experience, whereas the DeerRun's support and assurance provide peace of mind for users. Overall, reviews for the Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill highlight its versatility and additional features for an entertaining workout, but note concerns with durability and maintenance. On the other hand, the DeerRun 2024 upgrade walking pad receives praise for its compact design, ease of storage, and tech integration, though some users find the app functionality and noise levels to be drawbacks. Thank you for watching our comparison of the Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill and the DeerRun 2024 upgrade walking pad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description for more information. Until next time.